In an internal combustion engine, the valve exhaust plays a vital role. Think of it as the engine's way of breathing. After the fuel burns, it creates hot gases that need to escape. The valve exhaust opens up, allowing those spent gases to exit the combustion chamber. This process is crucial because it clears the way for fresh air to enter, ensuring the engine runs efficiently. Without it, the engine could overheat or lose power. So, next time you rev your engine, remember that little valve is working hard to keep everything running smoothly.